Today in the lesson we will solve examples on multiplication of rational numbers. The example looks like this. 2/11 multiply by the sum of the following numbers x plus y. And we need to find the value of this expression if x is minus 13 and y is 2. To solve this example, we need to substitute the number minus 13 in place of x and substitute the number 2 in place of y. Let's write it down. 2/11 times 2. Instead of x, I substitute the number minus 13. Plus, there's a plus sign. And in place of y, I put the number 2. Equal. Now let's do the action. First, let's do the action in parentheses. Minus 13 plus 2. We see two numbers with different signs. According to the rule, we subtract the smaller modulo number from the larger modulo number. Then, we multiply 2/11. 13 minus 2 is 11. But 13 had a minus sign. We from the larger modulo number, that is minus 13. Then the answer is the number minus 11. Now we need to multiply 2/11 by minus 11. According to the rule of multiplying a fractional number by a number, we must write as a fractional number. So I write down 2/11 times minus 11 first. Equals 2/11 times minus 11 first. By the rule of multiplying two numbers with different signs, the answer yields a negative number. I will divide the number 11 by 11. That's 1. I will also divide the number minus 11 by 11, and the result is 1. As a result, 2 multiplied by minus 1 is the number minus 2. I want to draw your attention to the number minus 11 first. If I have a number minus 11, I can write that number as minus 11 firsts. Or as the number 11 minus first. But the same fraction can be written in the following form. Minus, followed by the fraction 11 firsts. And another example, the same example, but instead of x, I'll write the number 13. And instead of y, the number minus 2. And with these values, I will find the value of our expression. What's the result? Instead of x, I substitute the number 13. Next, following the example, I have a plus sign. I write plus, and instead of the y, I substitute the number minus 2. Minus 2. And then we solve this example. 2/11 I'll multiply. 13 plus minus 2. I'm adding two numbers with different signs. The number 13 with a plus sign. The number 2 with a minus sign. From 13, I subtract 2. That would be 11. But 13 with a plus sign. So I multiply by the number positive 11. And then when I multiply 2/11 by 11 firsts, I get the answer. 2. When solving examples with numbers with different signs, be careful. Today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.